Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to correctly obtain your Fazaa card in UAE for 2025. So what is exactly is a Fazaa card? It's a community support card that provides numerous benefits including discounts and exclusive perks for its holders. But who is eligible for this card? Unfortunately, the Fazaa card is primarily available to employees of the Ministry of Interior as well as government and semi-government workers across the UAE. If you're part of that group, here's how you can get your card. First, head over to the Fazaa Card website. Once there, click on the Become a Member option. Now, keep in mind, registration is only available to employees of specific organizations. So, if your company is registered, you'll need a unique code from your employer to proceed. Next, fill out your personal information in the registration form. This includes your name, contact details, that if applicable, your employee's ID. Once that's done, you'll move on to the verification process. You'll receive an SMS code on your mobile to verify your identity. Then you'll need to upload any required documents. This may include a copy of your ID or an employment certificate, depending on what's asked during the application process. Finally, after reviewing everything, hit the submit button to complete your registration. Once your application is approved, you'll be notified and your Fazaa card will be issued right away. So that's it. With just few simple steps, you can easily get your Fazaa card. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips.